How to connect Polk Soundbar to phone. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn how to quickly and easily connect your Polk Soundbar to your phone, whether you're using Bluetooth or a cable. Let's get started. Section 1. Connecting via Bluetooth. Step 1. Turn on your Polk Soundbar. First, make sure your Polk Soundbar is powered at on. You should see the indicator lights turn on. Step 2. Activate Bluetooth pairing mode. Press the Bluetooth button on your remote control or on the soundbar itself. The Bluetooth light should start blinking. That means it's ready to pair. Step 3. Open Bluetooth settings on your phone. Now, on your phone, go to Settings, then tap on Bluetooth. Turn the Bluetooth on if it's not already. Step 4. Select your Polk Soundbar. Look for Polk Soundbar in the list of available devices. It might appear as Polk Audio with your model name like Polk Signa S2. Tap to pair. Step 5. Confirm pairing. If you're asked to confirm the connection, just tap pair or allow. Once connected, the blinking light should become solid. Section 2. Connecting via aux cable. Optional, wired connection. If your soundbar and phone both support a wired connection, you can use a aux cable. Plug one end into your phone, use an adapter if needed, and the other end into the aux input on your soundbar. Switch to aux mode. Use your remote to switch the input to aux. That's it. Sound for your phone should now play through the soundbar. And that's it. This was a quick and simple guide to connect your Polk Soundbar to your phone using Bluetooth or with a cable. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.